Hey, what's up everyone? Here I am in Disney Springs and I'm standing in front of one of my favorite restaurants out here, Chef Art Smith's Homecomin, right behind me. This will be my fourth visit to this restaurant and I'm looking forward for another amazing meal. I just really enjoy the food here. It's definitely down-home country food. So we're gonna go inside. You're gonna come along with us. We're gonna check this place out. We're gonna show you all the great food and the great drink and everything that this place has to offer.
Take your time, fall in line someday. It's hard to win, hard to pin one day. I look out for you to soothe away the blues in your eyes. Take a stand, move your hand someday. In your eyes, no disguise one day. I look out for you to soothe away the blues in your eyes. In your Looking out from my window, city lights and a still glowing blue. Looking out from my window, city lights and a still glowing blue.
This is one of my favorite things about coming here too, is the fact that there's a special whiskey menu. Seeing as whiskey is my spirit of choice. I'll share with you some of these items.
You are making me laugh.
Juan Carlos is having a good time over here. What are you doing, Wonky?
Showing my stash.
Showing your stash? That's very fun. Are you excited that we're here?
Always.
What are you most excited about dining here at Homecomin?
The Hummingbird Cake.
The Hummingbird Cake?
Yes.
I don't know what it is about that cake. It just, oh my God, it's so good.
So everything is good, but that is like...
Hey everyone, we're seated here at Homecomin and this time we're sitting outside on the porch, which I think is awesome. Definitely gives you the feel of that hometown. Well, minus the people screaming in the background, but you know, they're having a good time and that's what it's all about here at Homecomin. So we've just decided we're gonna get the appetizer of the shrimp appetizer, and I'm gonna read off the menu because it's something that it's called the Key West Shrimp Cocktail. Seasoned shrimp, hand-tossed in avocado, mango, and their house-made cocktail sauce. I've had it before, it's fantastic. And so we'll show you that in just a minute. Haven't figured out the main course yet. I've got a little liquor coming my way, that should be good. I'm getting a Moscow Mule mash something or other. I'll show it to you. Tell me one more time what they're each called.
The Mule Shine, the Royal Sangria, and the Berry Light.
All right, we got the Mule Shine, the Sangria, and the berry. All right, let's try it, everybody. Salud. Ooh. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers, everyone. Mmm. Good? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yes? All right, so we got our shrimp and our hush puppies. What's the consensus, Juan Carlos? How's it good? It's very tasty.
Delicious.
They are very delicious. Chris has got his mouth full, so he's not going to say much. Give me a nod. You like it? Perfect. Yeah, I think the flavor is really good. I like that there's a little bit of a kick in the shrimp, just a slight, but not overpowering. Because I'm not a big fan of really spicy stuff, so really good.
Thank you.
Shrimp and grits.
The chicken salad.
Okay. Yum, yum, yum. And the piece de resistance. Chef Art Smith's fried chicken. Yes. So excited. How excited are you?
Very. Love this.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Looks so good. All right, everyone. We are going to dig in. We'll give you our final review at the end of the meal. All right, the desserts have arrived. The rest of the meal was the appetizer for the main course, which is Hummingbird Cake. And this is a new addition, key lime pie. It's not even on the menu. It's special. And oh my gosh. Can you see my face? This is the face of happiness because this particular dessert right here, the Wonderful Hummingbird, is the reason you come here, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. This cake is absolutely fantastic, and I cannot wait to taste that one.
I know you
Because
love
key lime
lime.
is one of my
He
favorites.
loves the key lime. All right, so we're gonna dig in. All right, so we're just wrapping up our meal here at Homecoming. We got our to-go bag. We're bringing back a piece of Hummingbird Cake because we're a little gluttonous that way. And to be honest, we actually, amongst three of us, we didn't even finish all of the first piece of Hummingbird Cake because it was so large. Anyway, the food here was fantastic. Definitely Chef Art Smith's fried chicken is a must. We also had the shrimp and grits, which was amazing. My friend Chris had the fried chicken salad. He said it was great, gives it applause, so that was great. We've had this appetizer of the shrimp with the mango and the avocado. We've had that twice now, and we absolutely love it. Tonight we had something we had never had before, which was the hush puppies, and they were extremely tasty.
The carrot souffle.
And then we had a side dish of the carrot souffle, which Juan Carlos is raving about. Loved it. I did taste the Brussels sprout that was in there, and that was great as well. Drinks, fantastic. I'm still finishing mine. Really, really good. Overall, though, here at Disney Springs, there's so many choices of restaurants around here. And there are lots of other great places to go. But if you do come to Florida and you do go to Disney and you come to Disney Springs, this is one restaurant that you cannot pass up. We highly recommend it. And again, it's not because I'm friends with Art. He's a fantastic guy. He makes great food. We all know that. Even Oprah Winfrey knows that. But come here and taste it for yourself. It's a slice of old Florida, and the atmosphere is great. It's a lot of fun.
The cast.
Yeah, the employees here, and I definitely, Phil, if you're watching this, he's the manager that was on duty tonight. Amazing. Our wait staff was amazing. Just overall a great, great night. So, with that being said, we're going to head on out of here. It's time to do a little walking around Disney Springs to walk off this Hummingbird Cake. And if you haven't done so yet, please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button below. I'd love to continue to bring you some more of these videos and give you more updates on what's happening in my crazy and wild life, what's happening in Juan Carlos's life. And until next time, everyone, peace out. Ciao. Find anything interesting?
Yes, I like it.
That's cool. It's a little chef apron, huh? And it says head what?
Head cook.
Head cook with a nice big rooster. I like it. I like that they have that as their logo. They have some cool t-shirts. Hey y'all!
Hot.
Yeah, I like those hats.
A little baby.
Looking good. All right, shall we head out? Time
Yes.
to say goodbye. Bye, everyone.